Private jets represent the pinnacle of luxury aviation, combining speed, comfort, and engineering excellence. Every year, manufacturers build hundreds of business jets for executives, governments, and wealthy travelers. Every private jet begins as a digital design created by aerospace engineers and designers. Computer simulations test aerodynamics, efficiency, and safety before manufacturing even begins. Wind tunnel testing helps engineers optimize the aircraft's performance and fuel efficiency. Aircraft-grade aluminum arrives at the factory to become the structure of the jet. Modern private jets use lightweight composite materials to improve strength and reduce weight. Precision cutting machines shape thousands of aircraft components with incredible accuracy. Large fuselage panels are carefully formed to create the body of the aircraft. Strong internal frames give the jet its strength and support during flight. Robotic systems drill thousands of perfectly aligned holes for aircraft assembly. Millions of rivets permanently join the aircraft structure together. Separate sections of the fuselage are joined to create the aircraft's main body. The wings are engineered to provide lift, stability, and fuel storage capacity. Carbon fiber parts reduce weight while maintaining exceptional strength. The completed wings are carefully attached to the aircraft body. The tail section provides stability and precise control during flight. Landing gear systems are built to absorb tremendous forces during takeoff and landing. The landing gear is mounted to support the aircraft on the ground. After months of assembly, the private jet finally begins to take shape.
Powerful turbofan engines arrive separately and undergo detailed inspections before installation. Every engine component is inspected to ensure maximum safety, reliability, and performance.
Before flight, the engines undergo extensive ground testing to verify their performance.
The engines are carefully mounted to the aircraft using specialized lifting equipment. Complex fuel systems deliver precise amounts of fuel to the engines during flight. Hydraulic systems operate the flight controls, landing gear, and braking systems. Thousands of meters of wiring connect every electronic system inside the jet. Advanced avionics provide navigation, communication, and flight management capabilities. The cockpit becomes the command center for pilots during every flight. Every private jet interior is customized to match the owner's preferences. Skilled craftsmen create luxurious leather seats using premium materials. Hand-finished wood veneers add warmth and elegance to the aircraft interior. Custom furniture transforms the aircraft into a flying luxury suite. Modern entertainment systems provide passengers with comfort and connectivity. Private jets often include fully equipped kitchens for long-distance travel. Elegant lavatories provide comfort and convenience during international flights. The aircraft surface is carefully prepared before entering the paint facility. Multiple layers of paint protect the aircraft while creating its distinctive appearance. Custom paint schemes give every private jet a unique identity.
Every electrical system is tested to ensure complete reliability and safety. Hydraulic systems are carefully tested under pressure before the aircraft leaves the factory. Cabin pressure tests guarantee passenger comfort at high cruising altitudes. Fuel systems are examined to ensure efficient and safe engine operation. The aircraft performs taxi tests to evaluate steering, braking, and engine response. Experienced test pilots conduct detailed inspections before the aircraft's first flight. The first flight marks a major milestone in the aircraft's development. Test flights evaluate speed, stability, handling, and overall performance. The aircraft is tested at various altitudes and operating conditions. Safety systems are thoroughly tested to prepare for unexpected situations. Regulatory inspections confirm that the aircraft meets strict aviation standards. The aircraft receives a final cleaning before delivery to its owner. Inside, passengers enjoy a cabin designed for luxury, comfort, and productivity. The new owner inspects every detail before officially accepting the aircraft. Delivery ceremonies celebrate the completion of years of engineering and craftsmanship. The flight crew prepares the aircraft for its very first official journey. The completed aircraft finally begins its new life in the skies. These remarkable aircraft connect business leaders and travelers around the world. From raw materials to luxury aviation, this is how private jets are manufactured.
Before flight, the engines undergo extensive ground testing to verify their performance.
After months of assembly, the private jet finally begins to take shape.
These remarkable aircraft connect business leaders and travelers around the world. The completed aircraft finally begins its new life in the skies.